Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Animal Crossing New Leaf error, code 0060102. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later. If the problem persists, please make a note of the error code and visit support.nintendo.com. This error comes when users try to connect to a town or invite others into their town using online features. The connection fails and this error shows up. According to our research, this error may occur if the game is not updated to the latest version or if there is an issue with switching between Pretendo and Nintendo services. In some cases, the error may also happen if the internet connection is unstable or misconfigured. The first thing we suggest is to temporarily switch your network from Pretendo to Nintendo. To do this, go into Nimbus and switch it to Nintendo. Then open the eShop and wait for it to load fully. After that, go back into Nimbus, switch it back to Pretendo, and then launch the game again. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, make sure you have the latest update installed for Animal Crossing New Leaf. The version should show as V1.5 on the game's title screen. If it's not updated, go to the eShop and install the Welcome Amiibo update. After updating, check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.